He's happy. I think it cracked 11. Sick ass fool, it cracked 11, bro. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're my boy Panda right here, drinking that cup noodles. We're currently on the way to the dyno because my tuner Adrian is actually gonna dyno tune his 370Z tonight. So I'm trying to go see what this thing makes, and at the same time bring you guys a video. This car should make some jam. I think the last time it was on a dyno it made like 1,060 something, and he's gonna turn it up even more. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it hits 1100 wheel, but we'll find out. We're low-key running late. The dyno is at 8:30. That's wrong, it's 8:11, not 7:11. So we have 19 minutes to get there, and it's like an hour drive. So
I think we can do it.
Pretty sure. Put this shit in sport mode.
We're on 85 now.
Yeah, hell yeah. Right up with the homie. Nothing like a big turbo STI, bro. Alright guys, we made it to the dyno.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, got those big balloon tires off the car, so that only means one thing. We're dyno tuning the fastest 370Z in the world, sir. Okay. We actually got here right on time. About to do the first pull. What do you predict?
I predict it's gonna make 50 horsepower less than when he last left the dyno.
Damn, like that? Too. So the last time that this car was on a dyno, it made 1,064. What do you predict for real?
It's not good. I'm thinking 1150 around there.
Woo!
I want to make 12. That'd be great. I'd be the dyno number over here.
Oh, what's the word?
Here is 1180.
All right, guys. Let's see how much this thing makes. I thought I was cool because I had 2 fuel pumps. This fool has like 4. All right, guys. First pull. First pull made 1,051, bro. That's crazy. Second pull made about 20 more wheel horsepower, 27. So if you guys are wondering why the car is smoking so much, his turbos are actually blown, and even like that, it's still making 1,077. I guess you're living up to your name, buddy.
Thanks. Bro.
Blown turbo 562. So I don't know if I mentioned this in the videos yet, but this dude actually swapped in another motor. It's not his first build motor, it's like his 3rd or 4th. This one holds a lot of power, guys. I don't know how much exactly, but probably like 1,300 wheel. This thing is insane, bro. Crazy. Stopped halfway through the pull and it still made 1,000. I bet that should still made like 500 horsepower just because it was small ass throttle. Just like that, it made 1,084. The fact that it's making this much on blown turbo, this is crazy.
When you're chilling at the dyno, falling asleep because you're not making any power.
Hey yo, what the shit? capping. I think it cracked 11. Sick fool, it cracked 11, bro. On blown turbos.
Yeah, no, it's my fucking water pump keeps turning off.
Sick. Bro, this shit broke 1100 wheel horsepower. No way. That's crazy. Drop 10 wheel.
That's it. Turbo's no good. That's it.
I mean, yeah, look at all the smoke, but making 1100 on blown turbo is still crazy.
I didn't want to turn the turbo.
So these are the final numbers. I made 1,117 on blown turbos. That's actually pretty impressive to me. I don't know.
Didn't get the power I wanted.
Yeah, but it has blown turbos.
I was expecting 1150, but oh.
So is this the fastest 370Z in the world or what?
Nigga, nothing. One head lift. No pressure. Boom. No pressure, baby. Oh, there's no water.
Alright guys, we made it back home safe and sound. We ended up just going out to eat after that last clip you guys just saw. And well, now we're home. Damn, you guys haven't seen this car on the channel in a little while. She's still running, she's still good. Just pretty much waiting on somebody to buy the kit. There's been multiple people that lock in the deal, but then they'll back out last minute. So I told myself if this kit does not sell within like the next month, then I'm just gonna full send it on this kit. Send this thing to the moon and make the power I want to make. Because I mean, the kit is perfectly fine. I just want a different placement. I'm not sure if I want mid mount or top mount. I just want to do something different. That's mainly the reason why it's for sale. But like I said, either it sells within the next month or I just full send it on this kit because I want to be outside in this car very, very soon. But yeah, guys, before we go inside and edit this video for you guys, I did want to show you guys a little something that came in for this car the other day. We got this box over here. Shout out to my boys over at ISR Performance. This is their white pipe for the Q50s, but this isn't the only thing we got. We also got a exhaust coming from them as well. It's just that the exhaust was actually on back order, so I think it shipped out a couple days ago, so it should be here within the next couple of days. I think the tracking number said Wednesday, so probably around Wednesday, then we'll slap that thing on. I'm super excited to have a full exhaust again. The Muffler Delete is cool, but I just needed a whole exhaust, bro. It's gonna sound so fire with the IXR exhaust. I'm super excited. And besides that, we're also gonna go finally fix the whole front end situation on this car. If you guys don't remember, I actually smacked it right on the road and it messed up like the grill, the sensors, all that stuff. We're finally gonna go on Monday to go fix that. The guy that's gonna fix it was actually lagging there for the longest, but we're actually finally gonna go. And while we're at it, we're gonna throw on another front lip. I've been having a brand new lip in my room for like a couple of weeks now, almost a month. But once all that's done, I'll probably be taking a little break from this car. Probably just get some tint. Been needing tint forever, and then we'll focus back on this car, make this thing a rocket. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and edit this video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a big favor and hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.